Hello everyone. After a long time, we are having a Centum hour, so there will be few. Hello. Yes, you have to put yourself on mute. So please mention your name. Yeah. So people who will not be having name, proper name, will have to bar them from the quiz. So hence, if you have got a name by default, just go out, log in once again, refresh, put your proper name there. So anyone who is not having a name will be thrown out. So that's something which is the rule. Okay, so quickly join the session. Now today we have 15 questions in all, and there will be some modification in terms of earlier you used to do LMA last marks analysis separately. Now LMA is inbuilt in Centum itself. Okay, so you will have a full report of your performance at the end of the day, and that those performances will be recorded over a period of time, so you can use that data for your improvement. Okay, so you know the type of errors we have been segregating, so you have to have that list with you. Anyways, you will see that list in the slide. Is my audio proper, or are you able to hear me properly? Any disturbance? Okay, cool. So we have 39. So I can see 53 participants have joined in. So those who are attending for the first time, you have to go to menti.com on a separate browser, or primarily browser only. So go there and put the code 37970837, and then you have to put your name over there to participate in the quiz. So anyone is facing any difficulty joining the quiz, we'll start sharp at 8:03. So all of you must join by that time. So I can see there are 54 participants. Let me see who all are there.
So there are 54.
Now 56. So those.
So can you wait just a second? I'm going to join now.
Yeah, waiting. Couple of more minutes I will be giving you. So join. All of you should join. Yep. So I can see 45 people have
So could you
joined the
repeat the
quiz.
code?
Code is 37970837. It's there on the screen. 37970837. Today we will be going through our 9th grade topics only. So, but then they will be linked to your NTSC exam. So, since we have not covered anything so far in grade 10 stuff, so okay. So 37970837. So the format of the quiz is very simple. There are 15 questions in all are MCQs. Now there is only one correct answer. You will be getting 90 seconds each for solving the question. So in NTSC, the time limit is only 72 seconds actually for one particular question. But here we are giving you 90 seconds. It's a warming up quiz. So hence 90 seconds per question. Then only one correct answer. There is no negative marking. But those who answer first get more points. Okay. So fastest finger first is also there. After every question, we will be solving the question, and then we will be also doing something called lost analysis. So all of you must know what kind of errors you are doing, and that is going to be captured. And I request everybody to put your mic on mute so that there is no disturbance. And I would appreciate if there is no discussion during the question is live. That means for those 90 seconds, I will also be silent, you guys also be silent, and no chit chatting in the chat box. Okay, fair enough. Shall we start? All of you are comfortable, so get your pen and paper, and we are starting now. Here is the first question, guys, on your screen. and you will be getting 90 seconds for each one of them. Okay, so here is the first questions responses. Oh my god, so you have lost your knowledge of grade 9. So yes, let's explain it. Okay, so first of all, this is the leaderboard. So Nishant has got the highest point. Who's Ronald? Magical Rhino. You have to identify, right? Okay, Ronald Trump. Who is Ronald? Anyways, Ronald. Chaliye bhai. Siddharth Rath. Okay, so before that, let me explain this question. Why did you get it wrong? So clearly, this 3125 here is, what is this? 3125. So all of them, these are prime numbers. You know that if the denominator is not a multiple of only 2 and 5, then you are going to get a non-terminating decimal representation. Isn't
Sir,
it?
3125 is 5 raised to 5, I think.
Yeah. Yes, 5 raised to 5. So hence, it's a multiple of only 5. So hence, you can have in the denominator must be of the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m for it to be terminating, for the fraction to be, for the
Sir, not 2 to the power m and 5 to the
n,
power m. It one
n.
n. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So for the fraction to be terminating, right? So you please remember. So if you have, let's say 1 upon 2, it is nothing but 1 upon 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 0, right? Where m and n are integers or primarily non-negative integers. Now, if you have 1 upon 4, it is 1 upon 2 square into 5 to the power 0. So let's say if you have 1 upon 16, it's 1 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 0, like that. Or if 1 upon 25 is 1 upon 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2. So whenever you have all of this, whenever you have in the denominator anything which has only 2 and 5 as factors, then it is going to be terminating. So this is the knowledge. Last year also we had similar such questions, lots of them actually. So that's the answer to this. Anyone needs any further explanation? All clear? Again in this year, when we will be dealing with number system, you'll again see this coming back. Okay, never mind. Let's go to the LMA now. So this is a new thing which we have introduced. What you need to do is you have to now answer this, right? So there will be options available on your screen. Just press one of them, whichever you think is correct, and submit. So whether you got it by solving, whether you guessed it, whether you guessed it wrong, didn't read the question properly, did not get the question, wrong concept applied, careless mistake, calculation error, couldn't complete in time. So you have to just vote, all of you. Those who have, this is for your benefit. You will get the information later on, and then you will be able to track your or let's say errors, and we will try to improve upon that. Okay, so code is 37970837. Okay, please mark your responses here, so that you get a clear-cut picture where were you at the end of the day, and hence we will be compiling all this data. Okay, so shall we move ahead? Everybody has voted, so there is no time limit here. So now I will be moving ahead. So I would request, I'll give you 10 more seconds to register your answer or response here. Done. So let's go to the next question. Okay, question 2 is on your board. Find this value. The value of 2 to the power m plus 3 into 3 to the power 2m minus n into 5 to the power m plus n plus 3 into 6 to the power n plus 1. Okay, so here is the correct response. 26 people have got it right. So let me explain this first before going on to Okay, so this was easy, very easy exponents, or you could have, there are shortcuts to this as well, so you could have used any which way. So yeah, so you can simply put, you know, values, so that's something called shortcut method, but I will go with the normal explanation, usual standard method of solving this. So it is also not long. So what you need to see here is you have to do mentally a lot of calculation in terms of breaking down 6 and 10 and 15. So hence, if you see, this is 2 to the power. What are the powers of 2? So if you see powers, let's count the powers of 2. So m plus 3. Then we will get here also 1 2. So n plus 1. Then we'll have another 2 here, so minus m minus 1. Then another 2 from here, minus n minus 3. Isn't it? These are the total powers of m in, all of them. So if you see, this is nothing but 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. Now let's check the powers of 3. 3 power is 2m minus n. Then what is, you will get 1 3 from here as well. So again plus n plus 1. 1 3 again from here, so you'll get, but then it is denominator, so the sign will change, minus 1. Another 3 is here, so but in denominator, so sign will change. So again you will see this is 3 to the power 0. And similarly for 5 also, if I see 5, m plus n plus 3, m plus n plus 3. Then here again there is minus n minus 3. So y minus 3, because n plus 3 is in the denominator, and again 1 5 will be from here, minus n. So you have to do simple this. Okay, so then it is 5 to the power 0 as well. So all are 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. There is no other prime factor, so hence everything is 1, so 1. Isn't it correct now? Okay, so this is where this is how you can solve, or typically other method is you put some values, right? So or you put m is equal to n. That's another trick. So whichever way you can do, you have to solve it within 90 seconds. So this was also asked in NTSC, one of the NTSC papers. Fair enough. So let's see any explanation needed here further. Any further explanation needed here? So let me just go to the leaderboard. Here is, okay, so Nishant and Anuya. Okay, close fight. Very good. Anika, Siddharth, Magical Rhino, Sanjana, Pooja. Oh, lots of RNR folks are there. Oh, Anuya is first rank. Okay, let's do the quickly do the element, guys. Quick, within 10 seconds. Submit. You have to submit. Mark and submit. Quick. Okay, so lots of people could not complete in time. So you have a speed issue here. Okay, so we will have to work on speed. Fair enough. No problem. Done. All done. All marked your responses. So we will proceed. Proceed to the next question, and the next question is on your screen. Okay, fantastic. So lots of people have got it right. Very good. And let me explain it. Very quick explanation is you have to just do LCM into HCF is equal to the two numbers. So whenever you are finding, there are two numbers A and B, that will be equal to product of the two number is always equal to HCF into LCM. This simple one can do the trick. Okay, so you know the LCM 36, you know the HCF, that is 2, and one number is X, another number is 18, so X has to be 4. Correct. So this was the learning of this question. Learning of the question is HCF and LCM product of two numbers is the product of the numbers itself, right? Okay, so most of you have got it correct. So let's move on and now do the yes. Now do the LMA quick. Register your responses. Oh, first of all, this is the leaderboard. Cool. Right. Very good. Very good. Anuya is keeping the lead. Do the LMA quick. 10 seconds. Quickly do it. Oh, got it right by solving this one. Come on, guys, everybody, just mark your responses. It will help you later on. So don't feel shy. Don't think that we are going to judge you on this. No, we are going to help you on this. Hence, once we get the data, how you are, performing during the Centum hours and all that, then we will help you on that. So, okay, 53. Yep. Anyone else left? Quick. I saw some 56 responses were there. So 56 people should mark it. Anyway, so I'm moving ahead now. Next question. Here is the question number 4. Okay, so time's up, and I think why is waiting time so long? Okay, yeah, so there will be few questions like that, Monisha. So 58 responses are here, and I hope few of you or most of you have actually seen that there was something in the question. The question was, they're asking not correct. So I hope you read this properly. So hence you have to read the question thoroughly before you attempt it, because options will be both ways. So you can see, and every integer is a rational number. In such questions, what you need to do, put a cross or a tick mark. Every integer is a rational number. True or false? True, right? The sum of rational numbers and an irrational number is an irrational number. True. Every real number is rational. No, right? And every point on a number line is associated with a rational number. Not at all, because there are irrational number also, right? So hence only A and B are true. That means C and D are wrong. So the option is B. Okay. So good that you carefully read the question. Okay, let's go to our leaderboard now. And after 4 questions, the standing is something like this. So here is, oh my God. So Anuya is the fastest again, I think. Okay, very good. Very nice. Very good going, yeah. Good. And do the element. Quick. Register. See, lots of people have lost it. So can you see now? This is an important indicator that you guys are losing very easy questions because you are not reading the question properly. So that has to be reinforced. So we will, we will keep on reiterating, right? So, okay, so fair enough. Let's go to the next question. Next question is here. Okay, so Raghav, we don't need Fermat's theorem here to solve this question. Very simple one. And this is based on your logic, common sense. Yep. So, okay, good that 53 people have got it right. And it was very simple question. It's a warming Centum anyways. Yes, so you need to simply factorize this, and the factorization is simply 119 minus 111 and 119 plus 111. That's it. So if you see, this is anyways an even number, and there are 2 factors. So clearly this is ruled out. This is ruled out. It cannot be odd because this is 8 here. So hence the only answer is B. Okay. Chaliye. So any explanation needed? Any explanation needed? Any further? So let's go to. Oh, this is okay. So you don't need to calculate in such problems, because that was the intent of the problem, to see whether you can read that identity over there or not. Yes. So good. So now Anuya is maintaining the lead. Nishant is going to give a close fight. Very good. So very close. Only what? Very less, 60 odd, 70 odd marks difference. Okay. Do the LMA quick. Yep. Quick. So most of you either guessed, or there are few people who applied wrong concept. Okay. No problem. Chaliye. So we will move ahead. Question number 6. 3, 2, and 1. So let's see the responses. How many of you? Oh, there is some issue there. That means not even 50% could get it right. That's not good. Okay, so how to solve these kind of problems? So you have to use, unitary method, and then it becomes easy. So in cistern can be filled separately by 2 pipes in 12 and 16 minutes. So let's say pipe A takes 12 minutes to fill one full tank, let's say. So in 1 minute, it will be able to fill only 1/12 of the tank. And B will be able to fill 1/16 of the tank in 1 minute, right? So this is 1 minute work, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so in 1 minute, if both of them are together, what fraction of the tank will be filled in 1 minute? In 1 minute, if both of them are together, so 1/12 plus 1/16, this much tank will be filled. Okay, so hence, what is this fraction? If you see, this is nothing but 7 upon 48. Sorry, yeah, 7 upon 48. So in 1 minute, 7/48 of the tank can be filled. So how much time will it require to fill the full tank? So it will be 48 upon 7, 1 upon 7/48. Right? Is this understood? So this is the answer, 48/7. Anyone wants any further explanation? Anyone didn't understand? You can put X in the chat. We can explain again. Right? All clear? Okay, once more. Fair enough. Dekho. So let me, I can't. Okay, let me take this color. So what I'm saying is, in 12 minutes, one full tank. Let's say I'm saying 1T. Okay. Now here, 12 minute, one tank. So in 1 minute, what fraction of tank will be filled by this first pipe? Let us call it as A. So in 1 minute, 1/12 of the tank will be filled. Is this clear? In 1 minute, 1/12 of the tank will be filled. Yes or no? Correct. By A. By B, 1/16 of the tank will be filled in 1 minute. Is that understood? Monisha, don't type so long messages. For me, it becomes difficult to interact. Okay, guys, those who are facing issues. Okay. Is it okay? 1 minute, 1/12, and B is 1/16. Is this clear, guys? Those who are having trouble. So if I open A plus B together, what will happen? I will get 1/12 plus 1/16 of the tank filled, isn't it? In 1 minute. Now this is 1 minute output. In 1 minute, this much portion of tank will be filled. How much is this portion? This is 7/48. If you add them, you'll get 7/48 fraction of the tank is going to be filled in 1 minute. So full tank will require how many minutes together? Right? So it's reciprocal, yes. So it will be 1 upon 7/48. These many minutes will be required. Do you get the point? Let me give you an example with smaller number. Let's say half 0.5, or instead of 1/2 of the tank is filled in 1 minute. So how many minutes will it take for the full tank to be, or the tank to be filled? 1 upon half, that is 2 minutes. Got it? Similarly, if 1/10 of the tank takes, let's say, 1 minute, 1/10 of the tank is filled in 1 minute, then full tank will take how many minutes? 1 upon 10, that is 10 minutes. Right? Similarly, if 7/48 of the tank takes 1 minute to fill, so one full tank will take how many minutes? 1/7/48, which is 48 upon 7, which is nothing but this answer. Now clear? Everybody is clear? Clear? So this is how you should be solving it. And the usual trick is this: 1 upon this. Basically, we did this 1 upon 1/12 plus 1 upon 1/16. So for NTSC, you remember this. So there are 2 pipes with 12 minute and 16 minute each. So together we can do in 1 upon 1/12 plus 1/16. Let's say there was a third pipe which was taking, let's say, 20 minutes. So then altogether the answer will be 1 upon 1/12 plus 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 20. This will be the final answer. So you can do it directly. Is that clear? The formula angle is clear. How to do it faster. Okay, let's go to the next one. let's go to the first the leaderboard, and here is the leaderboard. Here is the leaderboard. Okay, so Raghav did this. Okay, so Raghav is on the second place. Okay, next is 11. Quick 10 seconds, guys. Oh, there's a 2. Oh, 1 minute. This thing. Quick. I'll have to reduce the time limit there. 33. Quick. You can do it faster. You have to submit anyways to go into the next question. Come on, do it. Good that this is 0. This is very, very bad. Didn't read the question is very depressing. So, oh, there is one. The moment I said it was bad and I got 1. That is something. Okay, fair enough. Purposely, oh, is it? So let me see in the background. I have all the data now. Question number what? So I'll figure out who was this. Okay, chaliye. Here is the next question. Remainder theorem. So there are some guessworks going on. Don't do that. Spend some time. Solve it. Okay. So let's see the response from the public. Okay. So most of you have got it right, but then again, less than 50%. So you have to calculate in this question. And you know that for remainder theorem, what is the thing to be applied? So you know you have to first equate 1 minus 2x to 0. So clearly x is half. Okay, and then put that there. So hence 4 into 1 to the half to the power 4. Replace x by half. So it will be 1 by 16 minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus half minus 7. Isn't it? So hence it is 1 upon 4, which is, I will reduce the denominator to 8. So 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8 minus 6 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8 minus 56 upon 8. Isn't it? So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, minus 56 minus 59. So this is the answer. Okay. Yes.
So it should be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2, sir.
Where?
So isn't x is equal to minus 1 by 2?
X is equal to half. So you have to equate it to 0, no? This equal to 0. So what will you get? X equals to half. Right? Monisha got it? Okay, so this is minus 58 by 8. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Now before that, your leaderboard. Okay, so now things have, now I think people have lost 100% accuracy. Oh, that's sad. So here is where the 100% accuracy goes down. So quick. Quick. See, this exercise is very important because at this stage, as I have been telling you, it's not important only to mark the right answer. You also need to understand where are you going wrong, and then only so all these things will be sorted out. Whatever. See, the aim is that this particular left-hand side bar should be the highest, and everything else should be the least. Then only we achieve our goal. Otherwise, we keep on struggling. Okay. Right. Okay. So only 49 people have marked there. Please mark your responses. Can you please mark your response, all of you? Otherwise, you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 over there. Okay. Never mind. Your call. So here is the next question. If you don't mark your response, you'll get 0, 0, 0 on those. So the backend report. This was the easiest question, I believe. Most of you should have got it. See, most of you have got it right. Okay, so let's go to this quickly. Oh, yeah. So this was very easy again. As I told you, you have to external angle theorem is what we are going to apply here. So 2y minus x is equal to y minus 5 plus 2x plus 40, right? So clearly y will be equal to, so this y goes and kills this y, one of them. So this is 3x plus 40 for 35, right? So x is 5 degrees, so 15 degrees plus 35. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Any explanation needed, guys? Any explanation needed? Tell me. Okay.
Sir, I substituted the value of x at first, but I got the answer is 45 degrees.
Oh, calculation mistake, my friend. That's where you have to stay safe. Chaliye, quickly do it. Register your responses quick so that we get an idea of where is the group going. Okay. So 43, 47, 40. Come on, quick. You'll get zeros. Chalo, theek hai. Next question on board. I hope the diagram is clear. Okay, so here is the response graph. Oh, that's cool. Lots of people could solve it. So the underlying concepts were the concept of angle subtended at the center and at the arc. That's point number one, and then midpoint theorem, right? So hence, what is this? DEF. Where is DEF? So DEF. This is 30 degrees. Now clearly, this will also be 30 degrees because this is a isosceles triangle, right? So 30 degrees. Now, if that is 30 degrees, then you know, since they are parallel, so these are parallel lines, isn't it? Parallel lines, midpoint theorem. So D and E are the midpoints of the respective sides. So hence DE is going to be parallel to AO, right? How is DF equals to DE? Okay, see here, E is the midpoint, okay, and F is also the midpoint, and OA is the radius. This is the radius. This is the radius. Yep. Okay. Now that means OF is equal to OE, right? So half of it is equal, right? Is that clear, Vasudev? Any problem now? Okay, so I'm just skipping that step now. So hence, if that is clear to you, so if this is 30 degrees and they are parallel, then this happens to be 30 degree as well, this one. And with the same logic, this happens to be 30 degree as well, because here is also 30 degree and this line is parallel to this line. Okay, can you explain again once more? See, this angle is given to be equal to 30 degrees. Okay. And what is given? This side is equal to this side, right? Is that clear? And this is midpoint. So if you see this angle, this side, all are equal. Okay, all are equal, and this angle is also equal. This angle theta is equal to this angle theta. Why? Because OAB, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because OA is equal to OB is the radius, right? Nitya, clear? Is that clear to everybody? So what does this mean? This means that this line ED, FD is equal to ED. I am not proving by congruence here. So congruence basically side, this side, this side, and this angle are correspondingly equal to this side, and this theta angle. So hence these two triangles are congruent, and hence these two sides are equal. That you can do skip also, because you know there is a perfect symmetry. So these two sides are equal. So this angle is 30 degree as well. Isosceles. So far so good. So far so good. Now AD is equal to AF. AD is equal to AF. I'm not saying AD is equal to AF. Okay, so let me put another sign here. Does that make sense now, Nishant? I'm not saying AD is equal to AF. Any difficulty, please ask me again. I will again explain. Don't worry, right? Don't worry about timing. So 30 degrees. Now what I'm saying is, don't you think this arrow line and this arrow line are parallel? Why are they parallel? Midpoint theorem. So if you join the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, it will be parallel to the third side, right? So hence, by that logic, if these two lines are parallel, this angle happens to be 30, so this angle is also 30, alternate interior angle, correct? This angle, so let me draw with some other, so this also is 30, 30, 30, yep. So the moment this is 30, 30, this is 30, 30, what will be angle O? 120 degrees, by angle sum property of a triangle. So if two angles are 30, 30 each, the third angle has to be 120. Now 120 is the angle subtended at the center. So what will be the angle subtended at the segment here? 60, half of it. Make sense? Make sense? Is there any difficulty understanding? So this was a little bit more number of theorems and more complicated it was. Again, it was a MTSC problem. So now are you comfortable? Everybody is comfortable or not? If not, then you can put X, and what we can do is, again, after the session, we can come back to this question. Okay, so let's go to our leaderboard. Okay, so where is the leaderboard? Yeah, here is the leaderboard. Okay, Srijan, you could not get it this time. Yes. Okay, let's go to the LMA. Quick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so let's go to the, so 10 seconds is good enough for responding to this. Okay, let's go to the 10th question. Here is the question. Quick guys, we'll have to finish also. So hence, you have to be faster. The length of the longest rod that can be fit into a cubical room of 4 centimeter side is. Okay, so you didn't get this one. What is the, okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very typical standard question. Standard question it is. And oh, lots of you have got it anyways. Yes, so basically the diagonal is the longest side, isn't it? The diagonal of a cube is the longest what do you say, length inside the cube, right? Sir, what centimeter? What did I say? Oh, there was something. Let's see the question then. Oh, acha. So there is a, yeah. So but then all of them are in meters. So you could have a. Will it do you think it will be different? Answer in meters. So Rudra, just because it was in meters, you could not answer this. Yeah, there I understand. I admit that there is a typo here. CM, it should be CM, but anyways, the answer, right answer is 6.928. Right. So hence, how to do that? So always remember, the longest rod that can be fit in a cuboid is the diagonal. Oh, this one, diagonal. So what is happening here? Just a minute. Diagonal, yes. Diagonal is under root side square plus side square, right? S root 3, right? So root 3. So 4 into 1.732 is this 6.928. Root 3 is 1.732. You have to remember these data. 1.732 is root 3. So root 3 into 4 is 6.928. Okay. Diagonal is the longest side inside the cube. Please remember this. Let's go to the next question. And we will prove that also. How is the diagonal longest? We will prove that in the class. But right now, remember that. Okay, chaliye, let's go to the next. So here is your LMA 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's go to the next question. Five more to go, guys. Quick. Okay, so here is the time up. So, oh, okay, this is something. What happened here? Okay, so let's see. Easy question, no? Yep. There you go. If a sphere and a cube have same surface areas. So what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. And this is equal to surface area of a cube, which is 6a square, right? Now this can be written as pi into 2r whole square is equal to 6a square. So 2r is d, diameter, and that's what you have to be very, very careful, because it says diameter and not the radius, so don't find the ratio of radius. So what will happen? This is pi d square is equal to 6a square. That means you have to find diameter of the sphere to the edge. So diameter will be above, and a d by a whole square, 6 by pi. Right? So d by a is root 6 by root pi. D is the answer. Any explanation further required? I hope you understood this. All of you understood this. Just give me a thumbs up. Why? If you all understood this part. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Let's go to the next problem. Before that, let's see who is now leading the leaderboard. And here is the leaderboard. Okay, good. So Raghav solved it first. Oh my God, so many people could not get it. Oh, that's sad. But Bharat was fastest. Good, very good, Bharat. Nice. Let's go to the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we'll wait only for 10 seconds, guys, because all the responses must be recorded, so that I can share this. I will share this data with you. Don't worry. Chaliye, next question. Find the area of the triangle in square units.
So we can't see the points.
Oh, sorry. So here, look at the screen. A is 1, 3, B is -1, 0, C is 4, 0. Let me know when the time's up. I'm not seeing it. Is the time up? Could you see the points now?
Yes.
Okay, so no, where is time up? Kanak is saying, sir, time up. 15 more seconds. Kanak, why did you do that? Anyways, now I think you know the points. Very easy lollipop question. Good. 40 people got it right. Very good. So let me explain quickly. So what is the height? Height is 3. This is the y coordinate. So height is 3. And what is the base? 4 minus -1. 5. Very good. So half into base into height. 5 into 3, 15 by 2, 7.5. Right? It was like a, you should have done in your mind only. You don't even require a pen and paper. Okay, at times there will be very easy questions in NTSC. So you have to grab on that. Okay, clear? Let's go to the next question now. So here is the leaderboard, and yep. These are the common mistakes, Vasudev. So you interchange X and Y and all that. So Raghav, you took so much of time. Why? My God.
Sir, I used the 3 coordinate points are given and then solving the area.
Shivam was Okay, Shivam was fastest, and here is LMA. Quick, do it. Oh, it's already 9. Come on, guys. We'll finish in 6 minutes. Come on, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next question. Someone is asked to take a number from 1 to 100. The probability that it is a prime is. So if you pick one number from 1 to 100, all integers, what is the probability that you will get a prime number? These are some standard results you must be kind of, so these questions will help you remember some standard results as well. So you don't need to every time calculate these things. Okay, so 49 people have responded so far and time's up. How many primes are there in top 100? 1 to 100. How many? 25. Very good. So there are 25 primes. You can count when you are having so much of time. So I will tell you there are 25 primes in top 100. And then there are 25 such primes, and how many numbers are there? 100. So you have to pick one out of 100. So what is the probability? 1 upon 4. Right? So I'm not going into the basics, the formula and all that you did in the last grade 9 also. So there are 100 such cases, out of which 25 are favorable. So 25 upon 100 is 1 upon 4 is the probability of picking up prime number. Okay, very good. Any explanation needed here, please let me know. If you have anything which you could not ask, you can also ask after the end of the session. Okay, so you can stay back and ask the question. Okay, so this is the leaderboard status, and let's go to our some bullet fair here. Fair enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, extra 2 seconds for all those who could not. Quick, 40 only. Jaldi. Next. 14th question. If the mean of the observations x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 10 is 9, find the mean of the last 3 observations. Okay. So mean, you have done mean last in grade 8 also. Don't you know how to find out average of numbers? Right? So you know how to find out average, right? What is mean? Mean is average, right? So hence basically what is happening here, you have what is mean? X plus 3 plus x plus 5, add all of the number, divide by number of them, count of them. X plus 10, this is the sum divided by count. How many are there? 5, and this is given 9. Okay, so from here what will you get? You will get 5x plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 10 is 25. So 25 is equal to 45. This 5 goes here and makes it 45. So 5x is 20, so x is 4. The moment x is 4, you need to find out the mean of these 3 numbers. So what are the mean of that? So 4 plus 5 is 9. So basically that number is 3x plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. If you add these two, this plus this plus this, you will get 3x plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. Divide by 3 is the answer. Now x is what? 4. So 12 plus 5 plus 7 is 24 plus 10, 34 by 3 is the answer. That is 11, 1 upon 3. So this is the answer. Right? Clear? So mean is a very common concept. So don't tell me that you don't know how to find out mean. And here is the leaderboard, and here is the leaderboard. Okay, Krishna could not do it. Why? Fair enough. So quickly, guys, before the last question, you have to do this. Oh, you marked it wrong. Quick, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Last question of the evening, guys. Do it cautiously. Very easy to close the quiz so that you are now warmed up. From next quiz onwards, you will see the intensity going up. So the academic year is on, warming up is done. Next quiz onwards, please be ready for some good brain work. Raghav marked it in like 3 seconds without thinking. For marking also you need to think. Okay, anyways. So, fair enough.
Sir, technically 3 options are right.
Technically, no.
Yes,
So when there are 3 options, rectangle, rhombus and this thing, then you have to pick the most appropriate. Okay, so the point A 9, 0, so you can quickly draw a reference. So let's say this is 9, 0. 9, 0 will be this point, isn't it? And then 9, 6, go up 6 units. This is 9, 6. X coordinate remains the same. Minus 9, 6. So you go here, becomes minus 9, 6 because the y coordinate remains the same. And minus 9, 0 back to x axis. So this is minus 9, 0. So it's a rectangle. Perfect rectangle. Why? Because there is a 90 degree here and there's a parallelogram. So perfect rectangle. Right? Answer is B.
Sir,
Okay.
but aren't all squares rectangles?
I'm sorry.
Sir, but aren't all squares rectangles?
No, what did I say?
All
Is
rectangles are squares.
this figure a square by any chance? No. Why? Because the sides are unequal. Right? All the sides are not. I'm sorry?
Sir, it is a trapezium.
Oh, what am I saying? It is not a trapezium. Why? Because in trapezium only one pair of sides must be equal and parallel. Right? Here both these sides are equal and parallel. So this is not a trapezium, nor a square, nor a rhombus. Right? It's a rectangle. Is that okay? So hence final answer is this one. But I'm smart. I will do this first before you go. Okay, so do it quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, for me, this is my data, boss. You enjoy with your leaderboard, but for me, this is my data. So hence, I am entitled to get this one. So I request all of you, spare some time and please do this. Please. Yes, I will share. Hence, I want, unless you share the data, how can I comment on what you do, right? So this is going to be very, very important. So I'll compile all your errors and I'll share with you. Okay, so here is the final leaderboard of the evening, and who wins? Raghav Pandey wins. Okay. Oh, Srijan is close, but oh, okay. So Raghav Pandey from NPS HSR is the winner. I think Raghav, is this the first time you have won a Centum R? I have never seen you winning a Centum R.
Sir, no. I have one chemistry.
3 cheers for Raghav. Hip hip hooray. Okay, all people, please, cheer up
Sir,
for
maths,
Raghav.
I think it's the first or second, yes.
So this is after 1 year, Raghav has arrived and he has got the first position in Centum R. So very good, Raghav. So you have held your nerves. So very good show. But it came a little too late. But never mind. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. So on Thursday we are having a physics. Sorry, you're saying something?
Sir, it's not like I've never won before.
Arre, nee, yaar, aise pulling your leg, I know. So you are my old khiladi, no? So anyways, so what I was saying is, on Thursday we will be having physics Centum R with Ankur sir. Please join us then also and improve your accuracy and speed. Okay. Thanks for joining, and let's try increase the intensity from next Centum R onwards. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. See you again in the classes. Bye. Take care.